Interface design transforms an idea into something users can see and use naturally. It all begins by researching the people who will interact with the application. What they need, the context in which they use it, and the goals they want to achieve. Understanding this prevents assumptions and leads us to real solutions. With this foundation, we organize the information. We build a clear structure, a visual hierarchy that guides the eye, and a navigation flow that helps users move forward without getting lost. Then comes the visual design. We choose readable typography, intentional colors, and icons that communicate without words. Interaction is essential. We apply usability principles and familiar patterns, and we add feedback to show what is happening at every moment. Before building the final version, we create sketches, wireframes, and interactive prototypes to see if the ideas really work. Accessibility is a key part of the process. We apply proper contrast, support for screen readers, and keyboard navigation so no one is left out. And finally, we test the interface with real users, analyze the data, and improve what is necessary. Designing interfaces is a living process that evolves to offer clear, intuitive, and pleasant experiences. In the description, you will find a link to the blog with more details.